those of you waiting for disability benefits, you're asking the question, how do you handle garnishments? For those of you who don't know, garnishments is a situation where typically a third-party entity is taking money out of your check in order to satisfy an obligation that you have. Most people freak because they're thinking, oh my gosh, what'll happen? Well, here's what you need to, a couple things you need to be aware of. First of all, focus on the big three. Under the Social Security Administration regulations, there are typically only three entities that can, quote, garnish your disability benefits. Unless the regs have changed, it's typically child support, alimony, and any federal debts. Okay, so those are the three that you need to be mindful of. Secondly, if you're trying to do something with the child support and the alimony, the only thing you can do is see about getting it adjusted. And that you have to do through the state courts, because really Social Security has no control over what they're telling your obligation is. It's your responsibility to get it adjusted if you believe it's not proper. Thirdly, if you have a federal debt, look to see if you can either work out a payment plan so they don't take it out of your benefits, or two, see if you can get it forgiven. That's usually what comes up in a student loan situation. So keep that in the back of your mind as well. I stressed this before, the only ones that typically are going to jump on you are going to be those big three. The last time I've checked, I don't believe they've added any additional regulations that permits a private third party from garnishing your Social Security. So those are the three that you need to be primarily focusing on. And then finally, reach out to a representative who handles those particular areas. If it's child support and alimony, it's family lawyer. If it's a federal debt, then there's attorneys who do federal debt law that can help you adjust those things accordingly. Focus on those things because Social Security is giving those entities access to your funds, so the only persons that can adjust it are those entities.